All right, welcome to day one of remote learning. Hope you guys are doing well. I figured I was recording a video or two that I wanted to record the assignment I gave for today, just some of the answers. Do the answers for numbers 2, 3, and then 6. So basically, remember for the evens, you were to do it in terms of pi, so leave pi alone. So the formula for a cylinder is pi r squared times the height. So the first thing I do for this one, again, I'm doing it in terms of, oh no, it says evens estimate. Yikes, so I am supposed to use 3.14. Okay, sorry, evens estimate. So I'm going to go, I think I might have wrote the directions wrong in Classroom, so whichever one you did is fine, I guess, for day one. So I'm going to change pi to 3.14. The radius here is 4 squared, and the height is 12. So I know a lot of you guys do this all in your calculator, but I'm going to write out as much as I can. So 4 squared is 16 times 12. So when I do that in my calculator, I get volume equals 602.88 kilometers cubed. All right, so that's number 2. All right, so number 3 is going to be done in terms of pi. So hopefully you remember for a cone, it's the same formula, pi r squared times height, but you divide by 3 because it's 1/3 of a cylinder. So now you go ahead and you write, again, this one's in terms of pi. So we're going to go leave pi alone. The radius here is times 10 squared times the height of 20, all divided by 3. So we're left with 10 squared is not 20, but it's 100 times 20 and divided by 3. 100 times 20, of course, is 2,000. Pi divided by 3. And 2,000 divided by 3 comes out to, it's a decimal, it's a rational number, 666.6 repeated pi, and I'll put inches cubed for that one. All right, so one more. I'll give you the answers for 1, 4, and 5, just so you kind of have it. Check your work here. So number 6, let's go for it. So we got a totally different formula here. It's pi r cubed this time, divided by 3, but it's 4 on the outside for this formula. So with this one, again, I'm going to use the 3.14. So I'm going to go 4 times 3.14 times 8 to the third power divided by 3. So it's 4 times 3.14. 8 to the third power is 8 times 8 times 8, which is 512, all divided by 3. When I do that in my calculator, I get volume equals 2,143.57, let's say, yards cubed for that one. All right, so the answers to your other assignment questions today was, this isn't kind of weird because this is homework, right? And like everything's homework now. Yeah, I was thinking kind of earlier when I was doing some dishes here, I was like, if you got in trouble, you'd be suspended, but would they send you home? Or because you're already home, maybe as a consequence, they would send you to school if you got suspended. But yeah, don't get suspended. That would be weird. But here are your answers to the other one. So number 1, if you did it right, this was 1,400 pi kilometers cubed. Number 4, if you did it right, was 489.84 yards cubed. And number 5, in terms of pi, came out to an even 2,304 pi, and that should be inches cubed. This came from last year's student, Madison Julian. So maybe that was 2 years ago, now I think about it. But again, hopefully this video helps us get started and get in the swing of things. Tomorrow we'll do our Google Hangout. I think you're going to notice I'm still trying to figure this out, but I was told that you could go on Google Hangouts without me there. So I'm probably going to delete the link and keep the same time, but I'll probably only post the link like 10 minutes before we get started. So I'll do the best I can with that tomorrow. There's probably going to be some glitches. We'll do the best we can. Check your email every day. Check your Google Classrooms every day. And for tomorrow, we'll just kind of like explore Google Classrooms, kind of talk to each other. Not Google Classrooms, Google Hangouts, talk to each other, go over some of, well, yeah, I guess, I don't know, maybe I was just going to say we kind of just went over all of them, but we'll try to do some math on the IAPBO, and we'll make it work and kind of get in the swing of things. So hope you're having a good day and have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.